morning to all. So today I will be explaining to you a demo of how to prove with the help of paper cutting activity that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So what do you need? You just see the material. You need some colored sheets, as I have taken with me 1, 2 or 3 colors you can select, and then a pair of scissors you can have, a cutter you can have, and then a compass and a pencil. So these are the requirements, but you have to keep ready side-wise to perform this activity. So first of all, you take any sheet and draw a circle of any radius on this sheet. Then as soon as you will be drawing the circle, you need to, with the help of cutter, you can cut out that circle, and circle will be there. You can take out of this sheet. So one task is over. This is your step number 1. From one rectangular sheet, you can cut a circle of any radius and keep it ready with you. Then secondly, now you take the second sheet. This is sheet number 2. What you have to do is, in step number 1, whatever the circle you have cut, you put it on this sheet somewhere. So after putting the sheet on the sheet, you need to fold the sheet from down like this, such as this circle simply touches that line. Like I am folding this, so you have to fold like this. Now circle is there such that this line can hold this circle. So now if I unfold this sheet, what happens? This circle is touching this line. That is, you can say, you can press it afterwards. That will become the crease of this on this sheet somewhere, and will be touching the circle somewhere. Step number 2. Then you take the third sheet and you need to cut a right angle. Right angle. So one of the corner, all the corners are at angle, as the sheet is rectangle. So as I have cut one from one corner, so you also can take one corner, and then that angle somewhere will be a right angle, and in this shape you will be getting that right angle in your hand. So you can cut one of the corner and take that right angle ready and place it. So I repeat, sheet number 1, sheet number 2 and sheet number 3. So you keep in order, ready with you. So these are the sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3. So from sheet number 1, what I did, I just have cut a circle of any radius, and circle I kept ready. From sheet number 2, I put that circle here and then fold the sheet such that this sheet hold the circle, and circle touches the crease of that what I have folded. And from third sheet, from one of the corner, I have cut a right angle, and now the things are ready with me like this. I will be getting 3 things. 1, from the first sheet, the circle. From the second sheet, this is the crease when I folded, and you can press it nicely. With the help of scale, you just can press it nicely so that the crease is visible to all. Or you can draw even a line like this. Now you can see this is visible to all. This crease you can see. And when I will unfold this, now this is there. So after that, what you have to do, now you have to put this circle here. So if I put this circle here and will draw any line means I have kept a scale over here. Any line I have drawn, suppose I am showing, I have drawn this line. It is visible. So now you can see this circle somewhere is touching this line. You can see this. and the point of contact you can mark, suppose I am writing here it is P, point of contact, and towards the end I have written Q. So P and Q are the points I have written on this crease somewhere, and point of contact of this circle and this line I have marked as P. Now take this right triangle that you have cut from one of the corner. You can name that triangle also like D, E and F. So D, E and F, now what you have to do is you put this triangle here on the circle such that this E, F and P, Q coincides. So if you have written, this will be the situation here finally. You can see somewhere the center is there, and I said this is the right triangle, this is the point of contact, and you see the angle. The right angle is D, E and F. D, E and F. So that means I said ki when you are putting this right angle from the center of the circle, that will be coinciding somewhere with that, and EF will be coinciding with PQ. So when you are keeping this triangle, you can see the diameter of the circle is coinciding with this EF, and DE, diameter is coinciding with DE, and this is coinciding with PQ. So this is the radius, you can say, and this is the tangent, PQ is the line. So EF is coinciding, what are the degrees you have taken? That was of 90 degree. So in that way I can prove that the radius of the circle is perpendicular to the tangent. Now you can paste it, and then the activity is ready to prove the theorem with the help of paper cutting activity, that how we can say that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So that's all. Then please do this. So this is the third activity I have added to your knowledge. Thank you and have a nice day.